Claim: Has Sweden really implants microchips in its citizens to replace ID cards and wallets? Fact check.
The claim is going viral on social media.
Several social media users have claimed that Sweden has started implanting microchips in the hands of its citizens. Verified ex-user, GetSizePie shared such a photo with the caption, "And so it begins." The text laid over the photo reads, "Sweden implants microchips in thousands of people to replace IDs, credit cards, keys and wallets." The post gained more than 2.8 million views and can be seen here. Other users have shared similar claims that can be seen here and here.
Fact check.
Truth: the claim is misleading. More than 3,000 Swedes have voluntarily received microchip implants since it was first launched in 2015. However, the Swedish government does not implant or mandate them, rather private biohacking companies do it. Fact check details. Digit-i India decided to investigate this claim and found it to be misleading. Since the technology was introduced in 2015, more than 3,000 people in Sweden have chosen to receive microchip implants voluntarily for convenience like payments, emergency contact details and access. However, these implants are not administered or required by the Swedish government, instead they are offered through private biohacking companies. Österlund also said that using a chip means that the hyperconnected surroundings that you live in every day can be streamlined. A section from the report can be viewed here. However, the report contains no evidence that the Swedish government is implanting microchips into citizens. View a section from the report here.
Resenären lägger helt enkelt in sitt SJ Prio-kort i sitt chip. Och när man sen är ombord på tåget och ombordpersonalen läser av chippet så kommer biljetten upp. Så det är väldigt enkelt för resenären.
Nonetheless, the report does not mention anything about a government program or full-scale implementation on citizens, thus, the claim is misleading. Claim: Sweden implants microchips in thousands of people to replace IDs, credit cards, keys and wallets. Conclusion: the claim is misleading. More than 3,000 Swedes have voluntarily received microchip implants since it was first launched in 2015. However, the Swedish government does not implant or mandate them, rather private biohacking companies do it. Rating: misleading. Thank you for visiting us. For more videos, subscribe to our channel, Digit-i India.